Listen up because this is big. Palantir Technologies, ever heard of it? They're in the business of data analytics, but not just any data. We're talking big data, the kind that governments and corporations drool over. Founded back in 2003, this company has some serious Silicon Valley pedigree. We're talking Peter Thiel, the PayPal guy, as a co-founder. Headquartered in Denver, Colorado, they're a little bit off the beaten path. But don't let that fool you, they're playing in the big leagues. What do they actually do? They build software platforms. Gotham and Foundry are their bread and butter. These platforms help organizations make sense of massive amounts of data. We're talking connecting the dots, seeing patterns, and predicting the future. It's like having a crystal ball, but powered by algorithms. This isn't some pie-in-the-sky tech. This is real-world stuff. Governments use it for intelligence gathering. Corporations use it for everything from fraud detection to optimizing supply chains. And they're just getting started. Recently, Palantir made some strategic portfolio adjustments, reducing its holdings in Surf Air Mobility Inc. They also secured a $99.2 million contract with the US Army for machine learning research. Leadership changes are happening too, with Gallagher taking over the defense division. And let's not forget, they were ranked the #1 AI software platform in market share and revenue for 2021 by IDC. As of September 2024, their stock surged by 76.65% year-to-date. Q2 2024 revenue hit $678 million, a 27% year-over-year increase, with net income up by 376.86%. Their EPS for Q2 2024 was 9 cents, an 80% increase from the previous year. With a current PE ratio around 96.56 and a forward PE ratio projected at 80, they're financially strong. Stable government contracts, AI integration, and industry diversification are driving their growth. Analysts have a consensus hold rating, with price targets ranging from $9 to $38. Bank of America recently raised their price target to $28, emphasizing Palantir's potential leadership in AI. Palantir has been making headlines lately, and for good reason. They're on a roll, landing major contracts left and right. Just recently, they snagged a massive deal with the US Army. We're talking hundreds of millions of dollars. Why? Because Palantir's technology is battle-tested and proven. But it's not just about government contracts. Palantir is also making waves in the commercial sector. They're partnering with major players in healthcare, finance, and even the automotive industry. This is a company that's not afraid to shake things up. And let's not forget about leadership. Alex Karp, the CEO, is a true visionary. He's the driving force behind Palantir's ambitious goals. With Karp at the helm, this company is poised for greatness. They've made some strategic shifts recently too, focusing on larger deals, not spreading themselves too thin. Smart move. It shows they're maturing, thinking long-term. For years, Palantir was known primarily for its work in the defense and intelligence sectors, and while they continue to dominate those areas, they're not content to rest on their laurels. Palantir is on a mission to bring its data analytics prowess to every corner of the globe and every industry imaginable. Take healthcare, for example. Palantir is partnering with hospitals and research institutions to revolutionize patient care. Their software is being used to analyze medical records, track the spread of diseases, and even develop new treatments. Then there's finance. Palantir is helping banks and financial institutions combat fraud, manage risk, and improve customer service. Their software is like having an army of analysts working around the clock to protect your assets. And don't forget about the automotive industry. Palantir is working with leading car manufacturers to develop self-driving vehicles. Their software is helping to make autonomous driving safer and more reliable. These are just a few examples of Palantir's expansion into new frontiers. The possibilities are truly endless. Section 4, the numbers don't lie. Palantir's financial ascendancy. Now let's talk numbers, because at the end of the day, that's what matters most to investors. And Palantir's financials are nothing short of impressive. Their revenue has been growing steadily year over year. They're winning big contracts and expanding into new markets. But here's the kicker. They're profitable. Not just a little bit either. We're talking real sustainable profitability. That's something that many tech companies can only dream of. Their stock price reflects this success. It's been on a tear lately, and for good reason. Investors are recognizing Palantir's potential for long-term growth and profitability. This is a company that's built to last. Section 5, fueling the rocket AI, diversification, and a golden touch. So what's driving Palantir's success? A few things. First, they're at the forefront of artificial intelligence. Their software is powered by some of the most advanced AI algorithms in the world. This gives them a significant competitive advantage. Second, they're diversifying their business. They're not just relying on government contracts anymore, they're expanding into new industries and markets. This reduces their risk and opens up new avenues for growth. And finally, they have a proven track record of success. They've been delivering results for their customers for years. This has earned them a reputation for excellence and reliability. Section 6, the bottom line, is Palantir a buy? So the million-dollar question, is Palantir a buy? Well, like any investment, there are risks. The stock can be volatile. Competition is heating up in the data analytics space. But here's the thing. Palantir is a leader in a rapidly growing market. They have a strong management team, a solid financial position, and a bright future ahead of them. Most analysts are bullish on the stock. They see the potential for significant upside. Of course, you should always do your own research before investing in any stock. But if you're looking for a company with the potential to generate market-beating returns, Palantir is definitely worth a closer look. This is a company that's changing the world, one data point at a time. Don't miss out on this rocket ship.